Today I will show you how to make a very simple shoe for a baby. I am using 2.5 mm needle and 4 ply wool. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, make 4 chain. Now make slip stitch in the last one of the ring. Now chain 3, including this, make 9 double crochet. Now we will have 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I made 9 double crochet, and including the 3 chain, it's 10 double crochet. Now make a slip in the 3rd chain. Tie the yarn from the middle. Now chain 3 again, and make double crochet in the same stitch of the 3 chain, and make 2 double crochet in all stitches across. 2 double crochet. It is very simple shoe and good for beginners. I will be back in a moment. Now again chain 3 and make 1 double crochet in all stitches across. Make 2 times this row. This is first time, and the next one will be second time. In all, stitches. See, come to the end. No increase, no decreases. 1 double crochet in all stitches across. And make this row 2 times. This is first and the other will be second. And I will meet you then. Now I finished my second. First was this, and the second is this. Now I will make 3 chain and 19 double crochet. Leave 4 stitches, no working on it. Okay, start your work. Make double crochet 19 stitches. Leave 4 stitches. 1 2 3 4. Now I finished my this row. Now make one more row, chain 3, skip this one, and make double crochet in all stitches across. Now chain 3, turn your work, double crochet 3 times, 1 2 and 3. Now make decrease for 8 times. Insert your hook, pull the loop, work on it again. In the next, pull the loop and pull the loop from all of it. Again, this is one decrease, this is second, three, 4, 5, 6 and 7, last one 8. Now make 3 double crochet, 1 2, chain 3 and make double crochet in all stitches. All around. Now I finished my ending. See, this is beautiful, very simple shoe to make, very easy to crochet. This is for 3 to 6 months. I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe my channel, and we will meet in another video inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.